Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Aliyah here, and you are Walking with the Walkers. I do videos on health and fitness, motherhood, and family vlogging. If that is something you are interested in, definitely stick around. And in today's video, you guys are just going to spend the day with me. I'm going to be doing some chores, making dinner. But first, let's work out. So we're at the gym. Hello. We're at the gym. I just pulled up to the gym, and truth be told, you guys, bro, you know how like sometimes you'll be like, the night before, you're just like, I'm going to the gym, I'm about to work out in the morning, I'm gonna feel so good, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, like I'll get the kids up, I'll get them off to the bus, and boom, like after that, we're gonna go fold some laundry, we're gonna go boom. And then like the day comes that you're now supposedly supposed to be doing all these amazing, crazy things, and you're like, you're like, do I have to? Like, do I have to? And that's where I'm at right now. Like, I made it to the gym and I'm sitting in the car and I'm just like, but do I have to get out? But do I have to get out? I feel like I'm trying to show you guys like the real of like, sometimes getting to the gym isn't like rainbows and butterflies. You're not sitting here like, ooh, I'm so happy about getting to the gym. Like sometimes it's hard, but sometimes it's hard because you want to do better and you're just trying to do better. And it's hard because sticking to a routine and doing better is hard, So I could work out at home. I very well could work out at home, but right now home is not like what I need. What I need is like solid. I need to be on somebody's treadmill. I need to be on someone's elliptical, walking, running, in someone's workout bench area doing some sort of exercise. Like that's what I need right now. 2024. Like that's what I need right now. So but no, with that being said, you guys, I just wanted to encourage you to get to the gym or get to that home workout that you so desperately know you want to do and you need to do it, but your body is telling you something else. That is where all right, you guys, I'll try and show you guys a little bit of me being at the gym. But today on the agenda is gym. Ray is actually leaving right now. He's going up to work, but he's coming back home later tonight, like later on in the day, and then tomorrow he'll be like traveling out of town. The kids have physical appointments today because they start lacrosse practice. Aria's lacrosse practice starts today and RJ's starts sometime within like the next week. So we need to get those worked out, and then I need to figure out what's going to be for dinner.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
been on all morning because we lost yesterday. So ESPN has been on all morning. And yeah, basically Ray's been like basking in the fact that we lost. But I'm getting ready to cook dinner. This is the turkey that I took out, salmon, and the chicken, baby chicken. So I'm gonna cook this up with some peppers, onions, and we're gonna have tortillas. And I probably can make some yellow rice along with it. And then this I'm gonna make, I think I'm gonna make half of it chili, and then the other half is going to be like the Korean barbecue I was saying. And then I picked this up from Sam's Club the other day, so I can just bake this, and then this could be, I could like put this with a salad, I can put this with whatever, I can put this with rice, quinoa, I can put it with, you can put it with, literally pair it with anything. So it's just like that protein that you can add to anything that you're having. So that's my meal prep for the week. I'll be back. I swear, I like sat down at like 12, and then next, you know, I looked up and it was time to pick her up. I'm cooking right now, making the fajitas that I was saying I was gonna make. I'm gonna cut up some onions and some peppers right here. And here she comes. Hey. All right, I feel like next, you know, well, he's at work. Yeah, but making some fajitas. So yeah, first I need to get some water. So we just pulled in back home. Aria forgot her stick. She forgot her lacrosse stick, so I have to drive back home real quick. Slide to the back. So now we're going to be on our way to practice. RJ, he's sleeping in the back seat.
Oh, okay. I thought you were back in the house with me.
So we're here at the park. They had like a good 20 minutes before their appointment started. So I figured get them outside and they can play at the park while I stay warm in the car. After this appointment, then we have to go to Aria's lacrosse practice. So yeah, we have like, what time is it? It's like 3:41. It's so dusty. It's 3:41. Their appointment's at 4 o'clock. So we drove closer to where we were going to. So we're closer to the appointment place. So yeah, it's a nice park. I usually take Thor for a walk over here, especially if I want to be by myself, secluded. This is really a nice park to go to. Guys, Aria, RJ, come on. It wouldn't fly if I cut it off at all.
I cut one off. And it's still food.
You know you didn't.
That's cool. Can I see what they're playing again?
You guys know how to come on back. Thank you.
Mom, you might be surprised about this because it ends next to April and April ends and then June starts.
Okay.
So what is it?
April ends and then June starts. I don't know. Spring?
I meant this.
Okay. Oh, Arthur's Picnic and Performance?
Yeah.
First grade Green Neighborhood would like you to mark your calendars for these important spring dates. Author's Picnic and Performance. Ooh, volunteer tea. If you have volunteered at PBM this year, PBMP's Home from Parents. That's awesome. Go put that on the table. You don't have any homework?
No.
You have stuff on the side of your mouth?
I do.
Yeah. Well, you're going to be brushing your teeth anyway, so. Bless you.
First grade Green Neighborhood would like you to mark your calendar for the book Author's Picnic and Performance, May 10th, 2024.
Did you go read? Have you read? You read earlier, right? For real, for real?
1:30 p.m.
Pass me a pen.
Mrs. Adams' class
Pen.
and Mrs. Miller's class.
Pen.
Volunteer team, May 14th. If you have volunteered at PBM this year, PTO, AUT, home rule parent, please let us celebrate you. More information to come. Save the day.
He's stupid. All right, Aria. Here, put this in your
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Eat the rest of those babies.
Yep.
Come on now. You can't go and try to glutton on the donut without eating them beans.
Perfect. So I pulled these out because I wanted to defrost them so I can put them in the kids' lunches for tomorrow. These are teriyaki pineapple. They're from Costco. They are really, really good. We've tried different flavors before and they are not as good as this one, but these are really, really good. And I'm defrosting them